Today I will break down how exactly to grow your client base, get repeat business, and move from small gigs to serious clients. Let's get into it. Here's the truth. Your client base doesn't grow overnight. It grows over time. The more people you work with, the more doors open, but only if you keep them open. Some key strategies. Start small, but think big. Over time, small projects leverage up, which means they build the foundation of your portfolio. Which means if you're just starting off, it's okay to take on smaller projects. They will be the reference later on for bigger clients and bigger clients and bigger clients. You compound on that small wins. Never completely disappear. If you stay in the client's mind, he will consider you for future work. So don't drop off. View every project as potential leverage. Give the client a good experience so he will want to work with you again and refer you to your friend. We are all human, and most clients would rather rehire someone they know than search for someone new. But here's the catch. If they forget about you, they will go somewhere else. So you have to take care to stay in their mind. Reminders work, but not too often. You can send a reminder every 6 months, for example, which is totally enough. Just check in. Hey, hope you're doing great. If you have any future projects, I will be happy to help. Be their go-to. Clients love working with someone that they like. Be nice to them, care about them, help them maybe on some questions for free. If you really liked someone in the project, maybe give them a call every 6 months. A phone call is always better than writing. You don't just want clients, you want clients that bring you even more clients. Most freelancers don't even ask, but I tell you, ask for referrals. So ask them about a testimonial you can put on your website and LinkedIn, and ask them for referrals. So hey, if you have another client or friend that needs help with a project, feel free to send them to me. I will be happy to help them. The key really is networking. Most good opportunities will not come off job boards. They will call you first because they know you. If they can hire someone they know, they will rather hire them than instead putting in the work, writing out a job post that someone then reads, they have to interview again and so on, like getting to know him, getting to trust him. If they already trust you, they will first come to you. So keep your network alive. Now comes a key secret from me. One of the fastest ways to grow your reputation, teach others. What I did in the beginning, I offered training workshops because I knew I can do that skill. I'm a good programmer in mobile development, so I will do a workshop in mobile development. And who comes to that workshops? It will be employees from companies. They have active projects with exact that technologies. And if you teach people in like a workshop, in this moment, they see you as an expert. And if they get to know that you're also a freelancer, that's your door opener. You can also make a deal with a contracting company. They often have a lot of contacts and a lot of clients and know where and when they need a workshop. And the last thing, I always recommend people to put out free value. Make courses, make videos, teach others about your skill. If your online presence says, hey, I'm an expert, I'm teaching others, that's a great door opener because your online presence is your first impression. And you want it to be, hey, he's an expert. At the end, everything comes down to momentum. Keep networking, keep taking smaller jobs, build your portfolio, keep older client relationships alive, leverage on that, build on that, stay consistent, keep building, and soon you will not chase clients, they will chase you, they will call you, they will remember you. You will never know when the day comes that this is your reality. So just keep going and building, keep up the momentum. Thanks for being here. Let's go on this journey together. Don't forget to subscribe and like and stay inspired. See you in the next video.